On a Friday, the US dollar had every chance to close at the levels recorded at the beginning of the week. It's obvious that the US employment report always has a significant influence on market sentiment. The Fed uses the labor market data to evaluate the local economic condition and its readiness for the key interest rate hike. In other words, any positive piece of information causes a rise in the greenback against all other currencies. In our video review on InstaForex TV channel, we will find out what events will shape market sentiment early next week. As a rule, economists rely on consumer indicators to evaluate the global economic condition and its prospects. Demand for goods and services boosts production, the service sector development, and economic growth. That is why the trade balance data may affect traders' attitude to a particular country and its national currency. The trade balance data is of vital importance for such export-oriented countries as Germany. On Monday, April 4, the main Eurozone economy is going to disclose its imports and exports reports for February. In January, Germany reported a slump in exports, which caused a tumble in the trade balance to the lowest level last seen in December 2000. Such disappointing figures reflect a negative trend in the German economy. The expected small rise will hardly change the market situation. On Tuesday, trading sentiment during the Asian session will be shaped by the Reserve Bank of Australia key interest rate decision. However, the regulator will hardly surprise market participants. The fact is that Australia is going to hold a federal election in the near future. That's why, out of the big event, the central bank will hardly change its monetary policy, even amid high inflation. In this case, investors may start selling off the Australian dollar. While on Monday, all eyes will be turned to Germany's trade balance. On Tuesday, traders will focus on the same data from the United States and Canada. In different countries, the indicator has a different importance level. Thus, the US economy is formed by internal consumption. Data on retail sales and consumer activity is usually closely monitored by local authorities. Meanwhile, Canada's economy highly depends on exports. The anticipated decline in exports and imports may cause a smaller trade balance. This, in turn, may lead to a short-lived drop in the Canadian dollar. At the same time, US traders could be encouraged by the ISM non-manufacturing PMI data. Economists suppose that in March the indicator may rise to the level of 58.1 points. On Wednesday, the macroeconomic calendar will not be rich in events. In fact, there will be only two reports that may attract traders' attention. Experts at IVEY are going to disclose much data on Canada's PMI. According to the forecast, the indicator may reflect improvement in business conditions. The publication of the recent FOMC meeting minutes is the main event of the first part of the week. In fact, investors have already priced in all important announcements. The document will hardly unveil any new facts, especially after the Fed unveiled its intention to raise the benchmark rate by 50 basis points at each meeting. Nevertheless, the meeting minutes may boost the US dollar against all other currencies. And you have watched the Forex Trader Calendar on InstaForex TV channel with me, Kate Stichina. We wish you profitable trading with InstaForex.